Grandma's coat makeover ideas, breathing new life into a vintage treasure. So, Grandma's coat has been hanging in the closet since the dawn of disco. Maybe it smells faintly of Chanel number 5 and nostalgia. Before you donate it with a little creativity and a needle that still knows its purpose, that heirloom can become the shyest piece in your wardrobe. Let's give Grandma's coat a glow-up worthy of the runway. 1. Give it a button or brooch makeover. Start small, shine big. Swap those tired buttons for something dramatic. Rhinestone, Czech glass, or oversized sculptural designs that scream statement piece. Want flexibility? Pin on decorative brooches. You can switch them with your mood. Elegant on Monday, eccentric by Friday. Pro tip: explore Zaza of Canada's fancy button collection. The easiest way to turn a coat into a conversation starter. 2. Add faux-fur drama. Nothing whispers old money quite like fur trim, even when it's faux. A detachable shearling or Mongolian fur collar instantly transforms an ordinary coat into something deliciously glamorous. Perfect for those who want old Hollywood vibes without the PETA protests. 3. Surprise them with a bold lining. You know what separates thrift find from couture? The lining. Replace the dull interior with a luxurious satin or a loud printed fabric. Every time you slip it on, you'll feel like your coat is keeping a fabulous secret. 4. Snip. Modernize the cut. Grandma loved her full-length opera coats, but let's be honest, you're not always walking the Champs-Élysées. Take it to a tailor, chop it to the knee, or crop it into a jacket. A shorter cut adds instant edge and shows off your boots and your bravery. 5. Go wild with patchwork or embroidery. This is where you can truly make it you. Add embroidered flowers, geometric motifs, or colorful patches. Not to cover flaws, but to celebrate character. Think of it as storytelling through stitches. Revamping Grandma's coat isn't just about fashion. It's about nostalgia, craftsmanship, and keeping good stories warm. So, go on. Rescue that relic and make it runway ready. Psst. The description is where I hide all the links. And yes, I've tucked in a few affiliate links too, featuring some fabulous examples of vintage-style embroidered coats.